Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put on or take off these hand straps on HTC Vive Focus Vision controllers. They are attached at the bottom and I'm gonna zoom in. You can see that there is this little hook. You can loosen it like that, and now the whole strap can go through this hole. Now you can pull it all out and just take it out, and now it's not on the controller. To put it back on, make it through this hole. Now open the hole and put the strap through it. Then tighten it and it's attached. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.